Yo, alright, so for today's video, we are gonna attempt to make $980 plus just by watching Google ads, all according to this particular video right here. Alright, so I'm just gonna follow whatever it says, and hopefully I'm able to earn $980 by the end of the day. Alright, by the end of the day, because it says by today, according to the thumbnail, so wish me luck. Alright, so enough talking and let's do this!
If you watch one Google website ad, you will earn $3.50. If you watch 10 Google ads, you will make $35 over and over again. And as you can see, I have already made about $900 from these Google website ads. So to earn money like this, the first step is to come over to this website that we are going to be using today to make money online watching Google ads. Now I'm going to show you how you can earn $3.50 just for watching a Google website ad.
Alright, so apparently the website that we are gonna earn $980 from today is called getpaidto. Alright, so I've went ahead to register an account and I'll resume the video and see what we have to do next.
And this is how the homepage will look like. And the good thing is that they will pay you 25 points as a sign-up bonus for completely free.
Alright, so I've registered for the account and as promised from the video, I've actually earned 25 points so far. So free 25 points. How much is it being converted to dollars and cents? I'm not too sure, but hopefully it is like $25. I wish. I hope so. So let's resume with the video.
And one of them is actually watching Google website ads. Like I said, you will see here different ways to make money from this website, but I don't want you to get lost and get confused, so we will go straight to making money online by just watching Google ads. As you can see here, we have different featured offers where you can earn points. 1,000 points, 2,000 points, 5,000 points, and even 11,000 points. There are unlimited offers here. You can also see what other people are earning from the website recently. But there's a special area on this site that is going to get you paid to watch Google website ads. And that's where you can make the most amount of money. So what you want to do is go here where it says earn points, and then go to quick points. Now select this option where it says click on URLs to earn easy points.
Okay, so I'm back to the dashboard, and what we have to do next is to go to earn points right here, and then we gotta go ahead with quick points over here. Alright, so the next thing that we have to do is to go ahead to the short links button over here. Whoa, hold up, what's going on? Short links are temporarily disabled. Why? Why is this happening? Okay, there's an announcement over here that says that we are working on the your surveys fix. Not exactly on the short links, but why is this happening? I can't get access to the short links portion. I can't watch any Google ads. Alright, let me just give it a quick refresh and hopefully it fixes by itself. Nothing, absolutely nothing. What's happening? I was ready to earn $980, but it's disabled. Okay, let me go to the other options and see whether or not they are available.
On this ad view option, a new page will open on your browser, and on this page, you can see this text here. Please check the CAPTCHA box to proceed to the destination page.
Alright man, I don't think I'm gonna be able to go ahead with this method. I've refreshed the page. For the other pages, right, I'm actually allowed to go to the other pages. Like over here it is the featured offers section, right? It's okay, I have access to it. The other one would be surveys over here, and as for surveys, it's okay as well. I'm able to access to it, but for the quick points section, still unavailable. As you guys can see over here, this page is okay, but if I were to click on the short links button over here, which is what we are supposed to do according to the video, but no can do. Short links are temporarily disabled. But if you were to go to the offer walls over here, it is okay, right? We have access to it. So all of the other sections, all of the other ways to earn points over here is available, but only for the quick points section, specifically for the short links. Yeah, we can't exactly access to this. And this is the only method, right? This is how we're supposed to earn money from Google ads, right? Man, don't think it's available, man. I don't think I can achieve $980 anymore. Not even a dollar, not even a cent. Well, at least I have 25 points, so that's a good thing. Oh well. Can I cash out though? Maybe I can cash out the 25 points. Okay, so 5,000 points equates to $1. $1. Wow. Okay. Oh well. Or maybe it has to do with the country that we are at. So maybe from my country, I'm not allowed to do the short links thing. I don't know, that's just my guess, right? But if you guys actually try this method out, you can let me know at the comment section down below what country are you from and if you are able to access this particular portion, like the short links thing. Yeah, hopefully it's a country thing, because if it is a country problem, then maybe you guys from the other countries are available to earn money from here. So this is a short video for today. I wasn't expecting this to happen. Yeah, I really wasn't expecting this to happen. I was at least hoping to watch at least one Google ad or something. Oh well, such is life. Alright, so that's all there is to it for this video. It was a quick one. I just registered only and then that's it. Hopefully that YouTube channel, right? Hopefully he has like other methods with this website. Getpaidto, yeah, getpaidto.com. Correct. Hopefully there's other methods. If not, it's a waste. Maybe there are other methods over here. I don't know. Hopefully, we'll see. Alright, so that's all for today's video, and make sure to subscribe, comment, subscribe. What? I've already mentioned that, sorry. Make sure to subscribe, comment, like, share, all those good stuff. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next one, and peace!